Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren NGARANG Resign Toukhiba adu State ASIDA Tangdu Leitaba Hanjillaknabagi APHABA KHONGTHANG AMANI HAINA NPP Manipur Working President MLA SHEIKH NOORUL HASSAN PHONGDORAKLI Manipur Huzik Oiriba Political Ge Charang Nabasiga Mari Lainana Ngase Paumi Singa Unakiba Amada Wafamase Phongdokladuna NPP Manipur State Ge Working President Oibata Natana NPP Manipur Ge Legislature Leader Su Oiriba MLA SHEIKH NOORUL HASSAN Hai Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren ge lengang asina Manipur da thokliba irang asige warushin purakpa ngamdaba amati mahusagi Tangdu Leitaba phibam amada hanjilhanba ngamdabadagi party asina Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren ge lengang tagi withdrew tawkibane wafamasi NPP ge National President na Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren ge lengang asidagi withdrew tawre haina thokiba cherol adudasu mayek sengna pankhi Manipur ge oiba phibam asida Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren NGARANG Resign Toukhiba adu taramna opagaloinana State asida mahusagi Tangdu Leitaba phibam Hanjillaknabagi Khongthang AMANI HAINA party na lawi party asi center da NDA ga chatminariba party amane lakadawriba numit singda state asigidama BJP na paikhalakpa thabak thauram singda NPP na su mapung fana sawat pagaloinana angamba mateng pangani haiba wafam MLA SHEIKH NOORUL HASSAN na phongdokhi
Yes, you have stated rightly. We have withdrawn, NPP has withdrawn support from N. Biren Singh government. We do not believe in his leadership because of his failure to restore normalcy and peace in the state of Manipur. Now, the step that he has finally taken means resigning from the post of Chief Minister is a welcome step towards restoring peace and normalcy. This is what the NPP feels. And we are open we are a part of the NDA allies at the center, and we will always cooperate and we will work together with the BJP in the coming days as a part of the NDA in bringing the state into complete normalcy and peace. It is not our prerogative. No, I am not the right person to answer that question. It all depends on the central BJP leadership as well as the report of the Honorable Governor of Manipur. I feel so. And this is the stand of the NPP also.